Ladies and gentlemen, I found something cool for your Mac Mini. For example, you can upgrade your internal memory all the way to 2 terabytes for $271 and $150 for the 1 terabyte. But do remember, you need not a chip, but you need a full card, memory card. Like this one. You see, this one is for the Max, for the M1 Max. You need a card, not a chip. I mean, you could have a chip, but who's gonna do it for you? Yeah, the card is just plug and play. So everyone can do it. Yeah? All right. I hope this is not a chip, but the full card. We have to ask. It says memory upgrade, so maybe it's a full card. I hope it is. Anyway, there's also a stand for $30, and with such a stand, you have easy access to your power button. You can put also something under the stand, yeah, like a memory or whatever. Let's continue. There's also an enclosure, and with such an enclosure, for $118, you could have an extra USB-A 3.2 double memory and USB 2.0. And also, that's not the end. Okay, let me show you the video first. Or maybe just show you the video. NVMe drive at the bottom. Just like that. How cool is that enclosure for just $118? There'll be a link in the description for you if you want all those accessories. And I think that's all I have for now. Cool accessories for your Mac Mini M4 and M4 Pro. See you next video. Bye.